Everybody, I'm excited to share with you my collab with Sonage. I put together a beautiful kit for you which goes day and night, so I'm going to show you how to use the products. The name is Mrs. de Lesseps. Countess. Who? So I start with my Soothing Cleansing Cream, which is great because you just need a small amount, and what I love about this, dab it all over your face and then you're going to rinse it off. It doesn't strip your face of natural oils or dry it out. Especially with summer right now, that's the last thing that we need. So we're just gonna rinse that and pat the skin dry. Then my absolute favorite is the Soothing Mist, because this hydrates the skin, it balances the pH, and it smells fantastic. Fresh, and gets rid of any excess makeup. So that's the Soothing Mist for the day. And you can use that all day long, whenever your skin feels dry. Next, this is for the evening. This is the Glow to Glow pads that take off any excess dead skin cells that I use at night. And then lastly, I'm going to use my Soothing Cream, which goes day and night. It's called Souffle Cream because it looks like a souffle. It's really light and it penetrates the skin really well. So you can use this day and night. And it smells just like it sounds. And it hydrates the skin. And you're ready now to take on the world. Enjoy.
So be cool. Don't be all like uncool.